Hey everybody, this is Squid here. So we are doing this new series, engine rebuild. We have here, it's a 85 Ford 460. We got it mostly, most of it off, everything. But I want to give you some tips right now. So once you got it on the engine stand, and let's say you still have the intake manifold on, you still have everything on it and everything, soak all of your bolts with penetrating oil. Do it the day before, 2 days before, and that might help you out a little bit more. Next step is when you go to take the bolts off, don't be using an impact wrench. If you do use an impact wrench, be like Happy Gilmore. When you do that trigger, just go tappity tap, tappity tap. Don't be just holding down that trigger, because you can break those bolts easily. And use a ratchet or breaker bar, and just go, if it's hard, or doesn't want to come off loose, turn it clockwise a little bit, just back and forth, and to break it loose, try some heat, try some more penetrating oil and all that. You can see there I got the oil drained out. This was a motor we got from a guy for $500. As you can see, that is pretty milky. It was really super thick coming out too. It was like kind of like really super thick gravy. And but the motor did turn over. It was a little bit hard to turn over, but we're going to be taking a look. We're going to be doing some more stuff. Right now I have the timing chain to get off. Over here, this is where the power steering bracket, or the air compressor bracket and alternator bracket went. But the bolt broke inside of here, so I got to get that out. And some of the bolts on the manifold, exhaust manifold, they broke. And so I got to get those out too. And right now I'm going to just do some other things, and I'll let you know what I'm doing and all that. Right now it looks really dirty, and but once we get everything off, then we're going to start cleaning so we can get a visual inspection.